I'm Mahtab Nazari. I'm doing a PhD in plant science at McGill University. Because in the greenhouse, everything is under control. In the lab, everything is under control. And also in the growth chamber, the same story. As long as we keep everything in the lab, there won't be any real data. There won't be any real result for our research. We must transfer everything that we produce in the lab to the real field conditions. If the products, if the biostimulant, if the bacteria cannot work under the real field condition, there won't be any value for doing research. Almost all farmers across Canada were suffered from the drought condition this year, and I wasn't an exception. We experienced a terrible condition, hot and drought. And then by the mid of the season, when I just walked through the plots, many canola crops just look like the grass because they didn't have any pods. But we did all our best and we couldn't do anything for the climate change. This technology would be very inexpensive because the farmer just needs a very low concentration. Sometimes the final price of producing a technology and transferring to farmer doesn't make sense economically. Working in the field is more exciting than the lab work or greenhouse work, but at the same time, the field work might make you nervous and sad. and that's happened to farmer because sometimes they experience the hot temperature, they experience freezing, and that makes them really sad. I guess the condition, based on what we experience, the conditions are likely to become hotter and drier over the next few decades. And this technology will make canola more adapted to this condition. Thuricin 17 has not been sold to farmers yet. And we are hopeful that it will arrive at this stage very soon.